Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your character's appearance and style in the skate game. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Unlike the older games where you were stuck with the same character you made at the very beginning, in this game you have the option to change your character's appearance and style without losing your progress. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is simply open the menu or just open the map in this game. Then simply go to the Skate tab right over here, which is the third one. In this tab, you should be able to see an option called Appearance. Click on that, and right over here, you should be able to see that you can change everything from skin tone to height, body type, and build type. However, there is something you should know. There is no option where you can directly switch your gender, but you can modify the same character into a different one. As you can see right over here, you can completely modify everything. There are a lot of character customization options available for you. With proper customizations, you can even change the gender as shown here. Now, you can also change your voice as well, which you can see right over here. You can change your style and your default stance as well. It's totally up to you. If you want any more customization options, you can also go back to the main body section and change it to your liking. So take your time in the menu option and tweak the sliders to get your desired look. Try multiple options and see which one suits your style. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your skater a brand new identity whenever you feel like switching things up. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.